Imagine if your mechanic provided a seamless white glove experience every time your vehicle is serviced. Well, here at 603 MTech Autowerks, we take a client-focused, luxury approach to the traditional auto shop. My name is Mike Perez. I'm the shop owner here at 603 MTech Autowerks. Some of the services we offer here at 603 MTech Autowerks are anywhere from an oil change to engine rebuilding. We do a lot of AMGs, and we have a lot of experience in working on the Maybachs as well. We also service the commercial vans, the Sprinters. We specialize in Mercedes, but we do work on other European vehicles. Most people, when they walk into a shop, they may think, it's greasy, slimy, dirty. The mechanics may be dirty, but here we keep it very nice and clean and professional. We do work on nice cars, so I want the shop to always look just like a nice car coming to the shop. I worked at the dealership for 7+ years, and I just felt like some of the customers there weren't getting the full effect on it. I think the brand Mercedes, they expect a lot. Unfortunately, some of these dealerships are independently owned, so they don't provide that exact type of service. It was always my dream to have my own shop, and I just knew that I had to put in the time, and I had to look at all aspects of it, not just the automotive side, but I was paying attention to the parts side, the advisor side, even the office side. People may have not thought I was paying attention to that, but I was always paying attention to all those little details. So I just knew it was just time for me to actually just get out there and show people what I was really about. There's not another independent repair shop that specializes in that one brand, Mercedes, and I can tell you there's not another shop in New Hampshire that is like that. With the new technology that Mercedes and all these other manufacturers are having, you definitely need to be up to date on your training, and you definitely need to know what you're getting into when, say, that new vehicle comes in that you've never worked on. So we were factory trained, and this is all we do. One of the biggest reasons why a customer would come here is, one, we know them by their names. We're fair, we're honest. What you're seeing is us. That's the best way I can put it. I treat people the way I want to be treated, so I go above and beyond for people.
The leadership here is great. I personally couldn't ask for more. Like I said before, it's very rewarding, and you don't always get the pat on the back and stuff like that at the dealership, but it's a very simple thing to do as a leader, and it really keeps driving me forward as a technician. Something that separates 603 MTech Autowerks from other automotive shops is that we like to remain transparent with our customers. And one of the best things about it is, unlike the dealership, we can actually speak to our customers firsthand and provide transparency.
Throughout the whole process, I show them what's going on. I tell them, if it needs this, if it needs that. And also when the vehicle is here, we can take pictures of anything that may need to be addressed. I'm really big on pictures. I don't feel comfortable texting somebody and telling them, hey, you need brakes. The first thing I do is I send them a picture. I have the capability of sending them the estimate. They can approve it right there on the phone. The key is in a secure spot. They come and pick it up, and then they just take it from there.
Not ever been a huge fan of dealerships because I know that they make money on a number of ways, and for them, I don't think they always have the customer's best interest in mind. I'm sure they'll argue that, but it's the perception of the customer, and that's something that I don't have with Mike. Like I said, I trust him 100%, and he's always been very, very, very professional. He is very approachable. Trust is a big issue when you're dealing with these high-end cars, and whatever opinion or whatever he suggests that we ought to do, that's what I follow, and he's never steered me wrong.
One of the things that stands out for us is just the quality of work, but also the quality of parts. 95% of our parts are Mercedes parts. All of our filters are all Mercedes. All the oil we use is all Mercedes oil. Brakes is all Mercedes. Here we are also an authorized Carfax shop. So basically all your service that's done here gets reported to Carfax, which definitely can increase the value of your car, because a lot of people that are going out to buy a new Mercedes, the first thing they're looking at is the maintenance history.
Your car is your second biggest item that you can purchase aside from your home. So you would want to take care of that purchase like you would your home. Bringing it here and making sure that the upkeep is where it's supposed to be, you know, it's important. Same way you do with your health, your home, your car. You know, the upkeep is a priority.
If you're looking for an auto shop to repair or maintenance your luxury vehicle, we would love to be your go-to. Give us a call at 603-534-6280 or visit our website at 603mtech.com.